Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make another homemade spicy sauce. For this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a peach habanero hot sauce. It has some heat, some sweetness, and a touch of spice, so let me show you how to make it. Begin with a little light prep work. Grind 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of herbe de Provence, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Round up the rest of the ingredients, and for your convenience, I've put a list of all of the items used in the description section of the video. Snag a saucepan and drop in 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice. Turn the burner to medium heat. For this hot sauce recipe, 4 habaneros will be used. If you like your hot sauce really spicy, keep the seeds in. If you like it mild or not too spicy, remove the seeds. Chop the habaneros up and add them to the pan. Next up to bat, half of a sweet onion that's been diced. Grab your peaches. I'm using 1 can of sliced peaches, just the peaches, not the liquid. It's a 15.25 ounce or 432 gram can. To that, you'll add 2 minced cloves of garlic. Top it off with the ground cumin, herbe de Provence, and salt mixture. Give it a quick mix and sweat these guys over medium heat for about 2 to 5 minutes. Moving right along, the next step of the process to add some liquids. 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Pour in 1/3 cup or 83 milliliters of water. Bring it to a light simmer, cover it, and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After the allotted cooking time, this is what you should have. The peaches are starting to break down and the peppers and onions are nice and tender. The next step of the peach habanero hot sauce making process is to round up a blender and smooth it out. Drop everything in. Give it a quick blitz until it's smooth as you like. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back. With the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. Whenever you're done blending, grab a spoon, check out the texture and consistency of the sauce. If it's too thick, you can always add more water or apple cider vinegar. If it's too chunky, it can be blended longer. Once it's where you like it, grab a glass container, pour it in. You could either dive in right away or throw it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, let it marry those flavors. Overnight, even better. And that's all there is to it. Not too difficult, right? That's how you make a peach habanero hot sauce. Now you know how to make a delicious hot sauce at home. You don't have to buy that store-bought stuff anymore. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and until next Saturday, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.